Nvidia has become the company everyone connects with artificial intelligence. Its stock exploded, demands for its chips skyrocketed, and it became one of the most valuable companies in the world. But now investors are asking a new question. Is Nvidia's lead impossible to catch? Or could AMD become a serious competitor in the AI chip race? To understand AMD's opportunity, you first have to understand why Nvidia is winning. Nvidia doesn't actually create AI models like ChatGPT. It builds the hardware that makes these models possible. The biggest technology companies in the world are spending billions building AI data centers, and those data centers need massive amounts of computing power. That's where Nvidia's GPUs come in. But Nvidia's biggest advantage is not only the chips, it's the ecosystem built around them. Their software platform, CUDA, has become a major part of how developers build AI systems. So Nvidia isn't just selling hardware, they've created an entire AI infrastructure ecosystem. But Nvidia's dominance has created an opportunity. AI demand has grown so quickly that companies are looking for more options. Relying on one supplier can create problems with pricing, supply constraints, and availability. And this is where AMD is trying to compete. AMD has been developing AI accelerators designed to challenge Nvidia's GPUs. Their goal isn't necessarily to replace Nvidia overnight, it's to capture a piece of one of the fastest growing markets in technology. This is the interesting part. Companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta are spending huge amounts of money on AI. And when you spend that much, competition is valuable. If Nvidia is the only option, Nvidia has control over pricing. But if AMD becomes a real alternative, customers have more choices. So even companies buying Nvidia chips have a reason to support competitors. But beating Nvidia is extremely difficult. This isn't like switching phone brands. AI companies have spent years building around Nvidia technology, the software, the developers, the infrastructure, and even the entire workflow. So AMD doesn't just need powerful chips, they need companies to believe switching or adding AMD is worth it. For investors, there are really two sides. The Nvidia argument is they already have the lead. AI spending keeps increasing and their ecosystem gives them a huge advantage. However, for AMD, the AI market could become so large that there doesn't have to be only one winner. Even becoming the second biggest player could create a massive opportunity. So maybe the question isn't, will AMD destroy Nvidia? The better question is, can AMD capture enough of the AI boom to become a major winner too? Because if AI becomes as big as investors expect, there might be room for both.